Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Do I have something special for you guys today? I know anyone that wants waiting for a dash cam or has a dash cam and worries about crap like this, stay tuned. I got something for you. Okay, before I go any further, yes, I know Elon just said that in version 9, dash cam feature will come with version 9, but you know what? We all know it's Elon time. And version 9, even though it was supposed to come out at the end of last month, now it's September, now they're saying the end of this month it'll start to roll out. But in case it isn't, after seeing this garbage, I don't want to wait. So in the meantime, this is the solution I have. Check it out. Okay, folks, this is what it is. It is a simple, very cheap company called WinPlus. What it does, what appealed to me right here in this picture, it charges, as you can see, any kind of device while it's charging itself and plugged into a power source. I didn't believe it until I saw it because, you know what, I've tried different things. I've got something in here. This Aki solar power thing. This is a beast. But even this, when simultaneously plugged in to a power source, when it's charging something, or sorry, when it's plugged into something that's charging, and when it's plugged into a charging source, it can't do both simultaneously. It's one or the other. And a lot of these battery packs are like that. It's one or the other. What we're trying to do, I guess I should tell you what we're trying to do. Ideally, here's the dash cam. I don't know if you can see it. Let me move the camera. Here's the dash cam up here. It's a small little simple dash cam by another company. I'll leave all the descriptions and links to where I got this and where you can get this and all the other stuff that I'm going to do in the description below. So the idea is to have a dash cam, whether it's good or bad or whatever, but when you turn the car off and you walk away and the car locks and everything, the dash cam continues to record. Now, Blackview, one of the best dash cam companies, they do one, and they also offer a battery backup pack that does what we're looking for in this case. When the car is off, it doesn't take it off the battery. It takes it off built-in storage that is recharged while the car is running. So I don't know how far this will go. This is only 2,500 milliamps, I believe. Yes, it's a typical capacity up to 2,500 milliamps. This one, it says it works, and I've actually tested it out. I'm going to open the back box up again just to show you guys, but I've tested it out, and it works. I'll just show you what all comes in a box. There's two of these, folks, and at Costco, it is the unbelievable price of $15. That's right, $14.99 for two, so $7.50 for each one. Now this, they're cheap. They may be cheap. They may not last long. That's not the point. It sort of is the point, but let's see how long it lasts. You got two. Comes with a little cord. This cord is pretty handy because normally this in itself, you would think, and I guess that's the ice breaking or the window breaking thing, but like I said, in this application, we don't need it. Let's take a look in the car and see what we have. Okay, folks, this is a weird camera angle, but all this is the armrest when it opens up as there, and this is where the power source is. Right now, this dash cam, which I got from Amazon, comes with a little cigarette lighter, power adapter, or USB. So you would plug it in and normally put it in this little power outlet right here that Tesla has located conveniently right there. The problem is if we go to use this new WinPlus thing and we put it here, it'll plug in and it'll charge and everything like that. But then we've got this little tray that Tesla includes for us. When you put this in, it blocks it because this large, long cylindrical design gets in the way. So a way around that is, thank God that WinPlus includes this short little USB and micro USB thing. So all we'll do there is plug this into here. Anyways, you plug that in there. Then we will take this off from here. Plug this in to this power source or little outlet. Then we can take this whole thing, plug it into there. So now it's charging. Now it should be charging, and there's a little blue light. I don't know if you can see it there on the camera, picks it up. A little blue light that shows that it is charging. It blinks every now and then. And then we take the USB from the camera itself, which is right here, and luckily and fortunately they can both plug in together. So now this is plugged into the power source of the car, the white one, and then the black one is the source for the dash cam, and it's charging, but it's also giving power. So now this isn't in the way. We can put this down here. We can put our tray right back where it belongs, and then we can close this. Oh, how I wired this dash cam, I'll show you in a separate video. There's the dash cam. It's running, as you can see there. Let me turn off the car and walk away from it and let it lock up and everything, and come back and show you that it still will be running even though the car is completely off. Okay, folks, we're going to keep the window down a little bit and lock the car. The car is locked. Windows are going in. So the car is locked and the power is off the car. Let's poke the camera in there and see. The camera, I don't know if you can see there, the camera is still running. So the car is off, there's no power to the car, and the camera, the dash cam, is still going. So there you have it. I'm going to try to make this as short as I can because people complain that I make these videos too long and I ramble on like I'm doing right now, so I'll stop it. Dash cams, you can use this for any dash cam. Yeah, I know everyone's saying with this timing is bad for this video because Elon just yesterday announced that this is coming in version 9. But like I said, I think at the beginning, I'd love to be wrong, but I have a feeling at the beginning, the dash cam feature is going to be very limited, very sparse. It'll be very basic. You won't have as much functionality as most people are hoping or thinking it will have. And I think it'll also take a while to get here. Version 9 will roll out very, very slowly, folks. So in the meantime, this is a good fix for me. I don't want to see anything happen to anybody's car, especially like that video, that picture there. That makes me sick to my stomach to see. Okay, folks, we know this won't stop it, but this could catch the son of a that does this and bring him to justice, because that's unacceptable in our society today, whether it's a Tesla hater or whether it's just pure vandalism and it's just a random act. So I'll throw the links below for all these things I showed you, folks. I'm going to keep my dash cam going just for redundancy, peace of mind. That's all I got for today, folks. Hopefully it wasn't too long. Thanks for watching. Talk to you on the next one. Bye-bye.